Our Chaudhary sir. Now I will invite our respected R.S. Dubey sir, ex-VC, Tilak Manji University, Bhagalpur sir. Please come sir. You are such an eminent scholar, experienced person. Please share your experience with us.
Respected Professor Balraj Chaudhary ji, Vice Chancellor, Agriculture University, Jodhpur, Mr. Ashok Kumar Chaudhary ji, Executive Director, FDDI, Jodhpur, Dr. R.P. Sharma ji, Director, SGIT, Raebareli, Dr. Vishal Nath ji, Director, ICR, National Research Center for Lychee, Bihar, Arvind Pandey ji from Aura Prakashan, Dr. S.K. Ganwar ji, Organizing Secretary of this seminar. First of all, I would like to congratulate Aura Prakashan and FDDI for jointly venturing to organize this international seminar where I can see the eminent scientists from across the country have gathered together. In this hall, I can see Professor Salgere, Professor Pandey, many other dignitaries from various universities, participants for the seminar, ladies and gentlemen. It is a wonderful opportunity that we are discussing various aspects related to science, various branches of science, and recent trends in scientific research and methods for experimentations related to science, technology, management, and its relevance with the nature. As it has been pointed out by Professor Balraj Chaudhary ji and other speakers, that it is a very important